folks. We're at JD Deventer. Just checking out some of these beautiful knives. Of course, I was immediately drawn to the orange.
Beautiful. I love the. Is that sterling silver?
And then I'll show you guys the different finishes. Ooh, what is this one? What kind of wood is that?
Desert iron.
Desert ironwood. And titanium bolsters?
No, that's 316 stainless.
Really?
All hard readers. No screws, no nothing.
Ah, hidden screws. So do you need a special tool to open it, or?
I made up a special tool.
Oh, it comes with a knife when the customer buys it?
No, sir. If the customer wants to have anything set, I'll do it.
Oh, you so just send it back?
If he wants, I'll make him a tool, but I prefer not him to pedal around with.
That is beautiful.
Flip it and feel it.
I will flip it. Oh my God. Yeah. Very nice. Oh, that's like glass. So that is glass. Oh my God.
Both of them are the same. It's exactly the same.
That's a different one.
Yeah.
How much do these run, if you don't mind?
1200.
That's reasonable.
Yeah.
For all this, oh, you can't even. The inlays, you can't even feel it. It's so smooth. Just gorgeous.
Not CNC, though. It's pantograph.
Oh. How does that process work? What do you do?
With a pantograph.
With a what?
Pantograph.
A pantograph.
Yeah. It's the same as a CNC, except everything's done by hand.
By hand.
You've got a pattern on the one side and like a stylus on the one side and
Right.
a motor
Right.
spindle on the other side, and it does the same thing as CNC, but it's by hand.
Wow.
By hand.
I can't get over how smooth that is.
The only difference between the two knives is I don't make two of the same. It's
not neat.
It's the filing work.
Oh, I see that. So it's slightly different on this one.
I also have this.
Close to that one. Let's see. Beautiful. What model name is that?
That's an AA flipper.
AA flipper.
AA flipper.
All right, let me show them this one. There's another liner lock. Beautiful pocket clip. This is smooth too. It fires out really nice. How much do these go for?
They start at $950.
$950. I love the design. I've always been drawn to like wider blades. Feels good. What's this material?
It's zirconium.
Oh, it is zircon.
Yeah, zircon. The backspace is titanium. And it's not been colored differently. What I do is I put the sheen finish in different directions and then I do the coloring.
Wow.
So it gives you the idea of different colors.
And this is titanium, this
Titanium pocket clip, yeah.
I didn't even see the backspacer on this one. What is that also tie or?
It's also tie. What I do when I do the grinds is kind of a 3D grind I'm doing.
Right.
You'll know, with a wide curve like that.
Yeah.
Normally you use a lot of cutting edge.
Right.
You don't get that here. My cutting edge start from there instead of about from there. Because what I do is when I get into the wheel, I press the blade forward and then I will run out with that in order to get in there and get the same thickness there that I get on that side.
Wow.
It's just, if you've got a 3-inch blade, you don't want 2.5 inches of cutting edge. You want 3 inches cutting edge.
Absolutely.
That's the only difference. Well, I call it a 3D grind. I don't know what the right terms would be, but
3D grind?
yeah.
Initially when you said 3D grind, I thought it was machine, but it's not. It's hand.
No, I did by hand.
It's hand ground, but you just call it a 3D grind.
Yeah.
Interesting. Really beautiful work. What model is this one?
That's a cruise flipper. C-R-U-Z.
Cruise flipper. What's that?
Mid-tech.